teda una nate wa ritangani kitu Masaba Technical Vocational College here school ya serikali nande abanafunzi bali bagocha ese school eyo bagorukuru Kenya ngima normally ndugwate kara bana bakorire form 4 ndugwate national placement through the Kenya Universities and the Colleges Central Placement Service. Eyo egotuma abana uji school depending on the choices ba make. Other than abana bali bagotumune serikali through groups. Emirango yitu normally egegoire. Esa banafunzi bonzi pi. Ekiara a program bone ke curriculum ndwate banga to move rikuru NEC uchi SIDAC. Na SIDAC tewati bitango turateba bingi eso mwana tale go train omuntu turateba inseke wango gianse kabisa turateba igoro ya recognition of prior learning. Recognition of prior learning tetakeri otware certificate editions as long as what is skill
obumanyi
obumanyi ese asigete abura anyore maybe no orega isiko karo se mechanics gose kwa gachore abondo tengo kwa mayire skill lakini ngwa jete school ekere ogochagale na boto kora evaluation tomanye ke wangu ya ungireki egero nyole certificate ya serikali through SIDAC kabere abana mbale barache batakore no class 8 edwe lakini hata ite skill short courses baratake gose welding and application gosa kore the class 8 kera other than SIDAC ndugwate NITA National Industrial Training Authority chikosi chinke chiokoboko ngoli train tole na wanafunzi na bagocha abaso chikosi echo nandi ba assess na NITA lakini ndeke mono agaro mwana atagete level yanse like in module 4 level 5 gocha a deep lane ogotware deep lane amaso level 5 kare tware koroka a certificate onya gotaita gosoa a diploma ogotware minimum grade ya C-. Diploma ivo no under SIDAC tokoroka level 6 ogotware minimum grade ya C-. Muna bona garota gete gosoa a course ya plumbing level 3 and 4 as long as you want the certificate ya KCSE whatever grade as long as you want the certificate ya KCSE na bakokora level 4 lakini rende ntobwate progression that kere ekiwango kia ukitari kwa lao oanzire gorake na owanziranse ekere kwa etira matemu ya matangani kwanya ko usko ekiwango chigoro uchigoro paka kaweke eso ratake, which means umwana borongore isikuga otagete anyole skill eraje kumukonya egenta anyolete nge kumutanga ndobwate libaga ya kromuntu without regard to inki anyolete maybe class 8 was a form 4 na ande like we've said there is progression so that onye gera no mwana kara kora mathematics na wakora mathem onye rogure lakini conditions maybe iria are ngiri ya kora mathem na ichiagerogwa tali ngaro murimo na aga asisa urito goteba nga mono egento nkere kiribwanjete that vocation egento kiribwanjete tata gokora nyana mangana maybe mechanical engineering maybe automotive engineering mangana carpentry mangana yobwagachi and the like kina kyogocha to enhance ability yao ogekora byaka egere goso gochiskoga onyorenga no what is skill eyo ekere wakorera omonto gasi omonto na atebenga omonto na ngorete gasi ebya kwanya kwa referred egere o makonya gukina. So generally whatever level otaire gosoa grading kiko chana mo aenchu depending on injury gokora ntobwate ribaga ria kila omonto.